Good day, beloveds, and welcome. Today I'm giving an updated review of the Irish sea moss gel and collagen peptides in Irish sea moss gel. If you haven't seen my video about it, I'll leave a link here where I'm actually giving a initial review of these two products. Today I'm going to give an updated review. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Danny. Welcome to this channel, Natural LID. I am a social worker and an aromatherapist, and I enjoy sharing information to enhance our overall quality of life and well-being. So, the initial review, I mentioned that there were some attributes to both of these products that were listed. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. But two of the attributes were they help to aid gut health and inflammation, okay? And I got that information from their website. They do also have a blog from this company, which is Organics Nature, as you can see in the title. And what they list is that it helps with or designed to or can aid these particular concerns. I will say this. Prior to me receiving these two products in February 2023, because now this is this is May of 2023. I got the products in April 2023, but going back in February 2023, I went and had a normal routine exam. And if you know anything about colonoscopies, they check your gut health, and there was some inflammation. Fast forward, I got these products in the mail. I got this one and the sea moss gel. May have a picture here. And I tried them in my tea, in my smoothie. I even tried them in my pancakes. And I will say this, I've used it for, so this is May 2020, if you're watching this in the future. So about a month and a half, I used these products. And actually, it's about time for me to order some more. But a month and a half, I used them, went back to my most recent appointment this week, and long and behold, the doctor said they didn't see any inflammation. Well, can I say that it was all attributed to these? First of all, I'm thanking and praising my God that they did not find anything that they needed to remove, okay? And, use of these products, I can't say that they hurt, okay? So perhaps it may be something you want to try for yourself and see how they work for you. There are other attributes to these products that are listed, but I'm thankful that I was able to use them in the time period, and if they have been helpful with my gut health, I am grateful. Most definitely. And again, I'll leave a link to the information that Organics Nature talks about how these two products can help with inflammation or sea moss in particular. Here's the article itself, but I'll leave a link in the description for you, and perhaps you want to try it for yourself. I'll leave a link to the products in the description as well. It is an affiliate link, so I thank you if you decide to try it for yourself and you use those links. And as always, it's my pleasure to serve you. I enjoy sharing information. Hopefully, maybe this information will be helpful for you. And as I mentioned, I'm definitely going to order more. As a matter of fact, you can see here, I have definitely used this. I'm using it now in my tea. I like to make a pot of green tea, and I'll add it to my tea, and it's absolutely divine. So I wanted to share that updated information with you and my updated review, and perhaps it'll be helpful for you if you decide to try it. Again, as always, it's a pleasure to serve you, and let us continue to learn, grow, and share together naturally. Until next time, God bless you and I love you. Bye-bye now. Thank you, beloveds, for watching. If you've subscribed to my channel or liked this video or shared it with anyone you think may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, I thank you. God bless you, and I love you.